In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit, style, and format your text within Cascade. First, we're going to go to the root directory that we're going to be working in. In this case, it's going to be test. Then we're going to go to the test folder within that directory and go to this is a training page. Okay, now go to the edit tab and then scroll down to your main content. Now you have many ways to edit your text. You can add special characters with this here, this little button. You can add these characters here. You can bold, italicize, or underline your text by clicking these buttons here. Or you can do a strike through. You can also justify or align your text. For example, by default, it's going to align to the left. You can align it in the center, right, or you can justify it. You can also indent with these buttons here. And as you see here on these, you can even add bulleted lists. For example, you can have bullet points or you can have an ordered list. Now if you make a change and you want to go back, or if you make a change and you don't like it, you can always just hit the undo button. Now you have different styles you can use on your text or images. You can highlight the text. For example, we're going to highlight here is a link. As you see, it changes it to make it more noticeable for readers to see. Now the image rounded and the pull left and image circle, I'm going to show you an example. This is a picture on our web page which is an image rounded and is pulling to the left, and here's an image rounded pulling to the right. Basically it just either makes the image a circle or a rounded off square, and if it pull left, then it's going to pull left. If it's pull right, it's going to pull right. Okay? Now you have different types of formatting you can do to the text. By default, it's going to be a paragraph, but you can usually make it with heading 2 or heading 3s all the way down to a heading 6. Don't use heading 1 because it confuses the browsers on what content is actually on the page. So just stick with heading 2 all the way down to heading 6. So just to give you an example, I'm going to use a heading 3. You notice the text got a little bit bigger. Okay, put it back to paragraph. You also have other buttons, which I have videos that cover these other buttons down here in this little row, like add a table, embed video, insert image, then you have unlink and insert links. I have videos on all these buttons here, so if you would like to watch them to learn about them, just click on the YouTube channel. Alright, now be sure to submit your changes. And always be sure to publish after you're done working on a page. And that is how you style and format text or images within Cascade.